Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change character on FreeFire Max. So let's get started. First of all, launch open FreeFire Max on your device. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the preset option at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see this interface. Tap on character at the bottom and choose the available characters you would like to switch between, and tap on equip at the bottom right corner. Remember that every progress you make will make a new character. Every progress you make throughout the game will unlock a new character. You can also purchase the character by spending some coins. Choose the character from the options at the left hand side menu and tap on the purchase option at the bottom right. But make sure you have enough money or diamonds in order to purchase the character. So that is how you can easily change your character in FreeFire Max. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.